Tell me about yourself is a very common interview question. It sort of acts as an icebreaker. Icebreaker वो question होता है जिसके ज़रिए rapport develop होती है आपके और interviewer के बीच में. So it's a nice starter question. Tell me about yourself. How can you answer this question better? The key is to be concise. Sure, आप इसमें लंबी लंबी कहानियां बता सकते हैं अपने experiences की, but that is not going to serve you. वो आपकी हेल्प नहीं करेगा. So the key is to answer concisely and to link each and every one of your achievements and your experiences with the job position that you are applying for. इसके लिए ये ज़रूरी है कि जिस रोल के लिए आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं you should have researched that role. That's a prerequisite. आपको उस रोल को रिसर्च करना है, फिर उसी के हिसाब से आप उस जॉब रोल को लिंक करेंगे अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I'm applying for the role of content manager, and I have worked as a content writer for the past many years. When they ask me, tell me about yourself, I need to remember that I need to be concise. That means that I will be to the point. अगर मेरे experiences में कोई भी ऐसी details हैं, कोई भी ऐसे experiences हैं which are not directly linked with the job position that I am applying for, so I will not mention those job experiences. They're only going to waste my time. Now here's an example answer. I began my career as a freelancer, but a few years ago, my professional interest shifted to the managerial side. I've always been skilled at bringing people together, and I've always demonstrated strong leadership skills. So I put my skills to good use by managing a team of freelance writers. Together, we would take on challenging projects, receiving rave reviews from our clients. This is why I think that I can be a very good manager, because I have been at both sides. I have worked as a solo content writer, and I have also managed a team of writers. Okay? So see, ये एक high level answer है. इसमें जो भी ऑफ कोर्स इंग्लिश के अंदर निटी ग्रिटीज़ हैं, अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि कोई वर्ड्स आपको समझ नहीं आ रहे, एंड इफ हैव अ प्रॉब्लम इन कंस्ट्रक्टिंग हाई लेवल सेंटेंसेस, then of course for that I would recommend that you maybe take a coaching session, and I think a bit of language refining really goes a long way. Now even though हम ऐसी कंट्री में रहते हैं जहाँ पे ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज उर्दू है, being a पाकिस्तानी, बट अलमिया ये है कि हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारे interviews, almost all interviews take place in English. So I would definitely recommend you to improve your English language skills enough that you are able to confidently answer these questions. Let's move on to question number 2. Why do you want to work at this company? And what's so special about our company? इसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आपने इस कंपनी के बारे में रिसर्च की हो. ये क्वेश्चन काफ़ी कॉमन है. Why do you want to work at this company? What attracts you to it? Is it the niche? Is it the environment? Is it somebody you already know that is in this company that referred you this job? Is it geographical proximity? Is it closer to you geographically? It's within reach? What's the reason? Why do you want to work at this company? This is comparatively an easier question to answer if you consider all of these points. I would recommend कि आप इस question के आंसर में भी job role का हवाला ज़रूर दें. यही जॉब रोल और कंपनीज में भी ऑफर हो रहा है, लेकिन आप यहाँ पे कंपनी की भी कोई ना कोई तारीफ डाल दें. ऑफ कोर्स कोई सच्ची तारीफ होनी चाहिए, दैट हैज टू बी रियलिस्टिक. यूर सीइंग इट राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, और फिर आप उसको मेंशन करें, एंड आप साथ में उस जॉब रोल को भी मेंशन करते हैं. यही जॉब रोल ABC कंपनी किसी और कंपनी में भी ऑफर हो रहा था, बट आई एम चूजिंग योर कंपनी टू वर्क विद बिकॉज ऑफ these benefits. Mentioning both the job role as well as the company kind of helps balance out the answer. Now, let's look at an example answer. Amongst tech companies in Pakistan, XYZ company is always ahead of tech trends. It is constantly looking for ways to improve their products. That sort of innovative thinking really inspires me. I also appreciate the work culture here, and I look forward to joining this company. If I am chosen for this role, I would make sure that I also contribute towards the positive development of this company, as I really appreciate what it is doing. Now, agar aapke mind mein ye baat aa rahi ki maybe I wouldn't be able to form such an answer, don't worry. Remember, this is an example answer. Just remember these key points, keep this example template in mind, and then construct your own answer.